Athukumi ma silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku mena undu wa kutania itina wa Ngavana Wavinya Ndeti kwambiisya walan'yo ula unenganite mwolooto wa mithukumile na kusisya mavata mo kana Machakos County Public Service Policy Documents. Ainena na Athukumi kuma ngavani kivathukanyo sya silikali yake. Ngavana Wavinya ni waelesya kiuyu chake kwa kuona Athukumi ma kaunti maithukuma miaka mingi vate kwambatwa ndeve nangi kulea kwambatwa ndeve one itina wa kwitha mongelete kisomo cho Daniel Mwangala alivoti.
Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku elesekana osietambi ya kusobi mitaratala na meo ya ulunga maundu ma Uthukumi va kauntini ya Masaku itina wa Athukumi kwitha manana maite muno mathukumite kwa ilungu ya miaka miasa makosete kwa matwendeve o undu mwe nangi kwitha vatema walini masio maundu mailitetha maithukuma unona atungite tina kithito chamwe.
I have heard the cries of many employees who have gone up to 10 years without promotion. And when I came, I met the doctors. And we had a very long chat. And I could really see the pain in their eyes. I saw it very unfair. Their cry was real. And I worked on it. We have others who are about to retire, having stagnated on the same job group through the years of service. Yani uliandikwa miaka 30 years ago until sasa you're still getting the same. Is that fair? The 10 HR policy documents we have launched today are a testimony of our commitment to doing the right thing. You have heard the presentation of the earlier speaker. We are pulling in the same directions. My government will also continue investing heavily on training and capacity building on our staff in order to enhance staff potential and capacity to offer better services to wananchi.
Wavinya Ndeti waelesekana yu itino sovyo kwa mitaratala nonzau silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku ni kwitha ndia mbati ndeve Athukumi ala methite mathukumite kwa mbewa miaka 10 mataesa kwamba ndeve kuma silikali ni mbituku.
All 86 staff who will be retiring in 2025 to be promoted with immediate effect. Following staff members who have suffered from delayed promotions will all be promoted effectively 1st of July 2025. Those staff whose promotions have been delayed for 7 years. The staff that promotions have been delayed for 7 years are 222. 222 miaka 7 mtu hajapromotiwa. Nimesema how from 1st of July promotion with immediate effect.
Nake mwandiki munene muveani wa silikali sia mutiuko terimbaika nena ivindani ya chathe chuni waelesekana yihini tambisio na yutethese silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku kuwikia ene ndisio ni sia nduani keleloni cha kuwikiria Uthukumi wa silikali sia mutiuko.
The most important asset we have is the human resource. Of course, with its 4 components. But governor putting structures in place makes it even easier to manage. And that is exactly what we have done. We still have cartels in public service, but we are getting ourselves out of that with initiatives like what Machakos County has done today. In 10 years, and now in the third term of devolution, it means people are not looking at priorities, because we should not be talking about this now. We should be reviewing. I was actually asking Governor, is this a review or first-time documents? And she told me this is most of the documents are new, all of them. So you would ask yourself, how do you run an institution like that?
Daniel Mwangala, Mutungu TV, kumavaanza wa mwako wa White House Kauntini ya Masaku.